Hello everyone and welcome back. Have you ever noticed the flags in React Native and how it's work? So in this video I'm going to tell you all about the flags. So let's get started. So in React Native, flags is a property used to control how the space is shared between the component inside the container. Values like a flex1 and flex 0.5 may look confused at the first, but simply define how much space each component should take and compare to the other. So now this is the theoretical part. So now I'm going to show you the practical also. So this is my view, you can see. Let me reload the app. So this is my view, and this view I want to take a whole screen. So for that we are going to come here, style, and just type the flex 1. So now I'm going to take the whole screen, but I cannot see. So for that reason I'm going to type background color. This is the background color. I need to pass the green color. So now you can see we are going to take the whole screen. If you want to divide this screen to the two parts, so for that we are going to take a two views inside this. Just take a view again, and I'm going to take a two views, and this is also the view. And let me cut this and paste it and 1 and 2. So now if I pass the style and background color like a background color red, and let me show you the yellow one, yellow. So now we can see the view is taking a space according to the text or the item inside this. So now I'm going to show you how can we define the specific size on this. So for that, just come here and just type the flex and 0.5. So now we can see it take the half portion of the view. If I also pass in the yellow one, flex and 0.5. So now you can see we divide the whole screen with the two views. So now if you want to, this is a horizontally, like we want not in the column, we want in the horizontally. So for that we have a flex direction also, and just type the row. So now we can see the all item will be seen in the row part like this, the first and second. So now you can see we pass the 0.5 in this and 0.5 in this. If I pass a 1, so how it look like? So let's see. So now we can see we just only take a 70% of the view, and we do not take the whole view. Because of what? Because of this. Because now the whole view is dividing by 1.5, not the 1, this. So this is the, if I pass the 1 here, so now it will be equally divided in the both of them. So you can see it's a little bit confusing, but it's totally easy. Like, and this is 1, and this is also inside this. We can take, if I take a 1, it means it's 0.5 and 0.5 with this also. So this is the simple and the basic thing about the flags, and how can we use, how can we divide, and how can we make it like a row direction. This is the flex, you can see. And we can also make it like there's also we have a reverse, row reverse also, you can type it. And now you can see, and the first view will become here, and the second will become, the first will become in the second, and the second will become in the first. So you can also change it like a column also, reverse column we have. And let me show you reverse column. So this is the flags and how can we use the flags in React Native. And hope you like this video. See you in next video. For now, bye bye.